Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to find that hotspot toggle in your notification panel. So let's look for it, and for me it's right over here. Now once you find it, what you want to do is hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can change a couple of them. So let's select configure, and in here we have things like the Wi-Fi name, so we can shorten it if you want to or keep it as it is, completely up to you. Then below that we have the password. Now by default, as you can see, it's just some random trash here, so we can change it to our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. And then below that we have the AP band, so by default it's 2.4, but you can set it to 5 GHz if you wanted to. Now the benefit of the 5 GHz will be the connection will be faster and stronger, but the downside of it is not every phone will support it. Now some of the older devices from like 5 years back might not support it, but anything from there should also work. So I'm not exactly sure when like the 5 GHz Wi-Fi was introduced really, but it's been already a while. So from there, tap on save, and well, it's been configured, so now we can leave it and simply tap on the toggle from here. Now unfortunately I have no SIM card, so apparently I can't turn it on, but if I did, all it takes is just a single tap on the toggle and it will be on. Now keep in mind that once you turn on, you'll also want to remember to turn it off once you're finished with it, otherwise it will be using a little bit of your battery for basically no reason. And that is basically how you set it up and use the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.